Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this is a little weird, but I don't know what happened to the voice. I'm using these two palettes. They're both from Cara Beauty. I don't know why this one's upside down, but I wanted to do something bold and colorful. This is the look. So if you want to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm using the two palettes Before the Party and Make a Statement. I wanted something bold. I didn't find my jumbo white pencil, so I'm just using concealer. I'm going to put it on the lids, and I'm not going to set it because I want these colors to actually stick to the lid. So I'm just going to put it on the lid. I'm not going to set it. I'm going to start with this green color here. I'm going to have the palette listed on the bottom. I've shown you guys this already, but I wanted to do another look using it. This is the green, not exactly what I thought it was. Actually, I wanted something like a lime green. I did see another look from Kawaii Doll, and it was like this, except hers had a white wing, like a white wing. So I wanted to do something similar without the little wing on it. I wanted to do just a bold look, not too smoky, because I wanted it to be very summery. So I'm putting this green first. Then I'm going to go in with the yellow color. This is the yellow. Again, I wanted something bright, neon-y. I didn't find that with this yellow, so I'm going to try using this palette. Then I'm going to go into the other palette and try to mix the yellows to get a brighter yellow. And if you can see, it's kind of like blending in with the green color. So I keep going over it, trying to get that bold yellow neon kind of color. But I'm happy with it. It isn't as bold as I would have liked it to be, but I'm happy with it. Again, I do my makeup in the morning and then I go to work, so I can't have crazy looks at work. I'm going to go into this second palette, Make a Statement, and I'm going to take that yellow and add it on top to see if it brightens up just a bit. I hope you can't hear anything in the background because my son is watching TV and so is my husband. But I wanted to do this voiceover. I didn't want to just put music and leave it at that. So as you can see, it is getting brighter, this yellow, but still not exactly as neon as I would like. I'm going to mix in this fuchsia kind of color. It's like a darker pink summer flamingo kind of color, which I'm loving. I do want to try the tapping motion just to keep, pack in that color and make sure it stays nice and vibrant. It's not like blended out, but I don't want to have those lines in between. So I'm going to be going back and forth with the green and the yellow and this color. And I'm going to add a little bit of an orange in the center. I'm going to show you that it's kind of like a corally orange kind of color right in between the yellow and this fuchsia color, just to like smooth out that line. That's, I don't know if you can see, really there's like a separation. So I'm gonna take that orange and very lightly I'm just gonna blend it right in the center, because I don't want to get rid of the fuchsia color, but I do want to have like something blending them together, the yellow with that color. I'm loving these colors. I'm loving these Cara palettes. I've been on the hunt forever finding these. My TJ Maxx and Marshalls have been exciting to go to because I haven't seen anything. I'm gonna add this black liner. This is from LA Girls. It's very dark. And I'm just going to do very close to the lash line because I am going to do a wing later on. But I just wanted something there because I'm putting in this kind of like blue purple color towards the end. I wanted to give it like a winged out kind of a look. Because I wasn't going to do a wing liner, but after I saw it, I still felt like it needed to have a wing, so I'm going to be doing that later on, but I do want to have this darker color towards the end. And as you can see, it does look very, not choppy, but it does look like it's not blending together. So I'm trying really hard to blend it together without actually mixing the colors, just getting rid of that line of separation. So I'm going to be going back to the green, back to the yellow, back to the fuchsia color, and trying to blend everything, but still keep the color. I'm using this because I couldn't find my tape and I just wanted to have a sharp line towards the end there. And I'm just going to bring it close to the lash line so it looks like it's kind of like a smokiness wing kind of thing. So it looks like I have a liner even though I don't have liner. But then in the end I am going to add a wing to it. And then I'm just going to blend, try to get everything nicely, blended without any lines of separation. Even though I can see some now that I didn't see when I was filming this, I'm hoping that it's not too bad. So try to work with me. And what I love is the fact that these are bold summer colors and there isn't fallout. That's one of the things that I love about Cara Beauty, is the fact that these colors are bold and they're not chalky and they're not like fallout everywhere, because I do my foundation first, so this is very much appreciated. So again, I'm going back with the yellow, I'm going back with the fuchsia, because I do want those colors to pop on their own. And I want you to be able to see the green and the yellow and the pinks and the purples and the blues, all of that. So I'm going in with the LA Girl I forgot what this is called, but it's to do my wing liner. I love the point on this because it's so long. I'm going to take this purpley kind of color for the bottom, because I kind of want them to be the same on the bottom, but I kind of wanted that purpley color, not so much of that darker blue. So I'm going to go in with that. I am going to put the fuchsia color into it, and I am going to do the yellow and a little bit of the green, but I do want more of that fuchsia and purpley kind of color towards the bottom. Love. I've been loving these palettes. I've been loving the colors. I've been loving trying to make bold looks. So this is a wing. This is a liner. I use it for my brows because it's flat and sharp. It makes that hair illusion kind of like that microblading. So I've been loving that. That's why I pick up so many of these felt tip liners and just curved liners, because if it doesn't work for doing the wing liner, it works fabulous on the brows. So it gives you the illusion of hairs even if you don't have it. I'm just going to clean out the bottom like I always do. I'm going to put my mascara, and then we're going to move on to the face. So I'm going in with the Nicole Miller palette. I showed you guys I had picked it up at TJ Maxx. I have been loving it. The contour color is so nice for the face, to contour your nose. It has a blush to it, but I'm going to use something a little bit more nude. This is the e.l.f. bronzer. It has like that orangey tints that I like, so it gives you like that sun-kissed look. And then I'm going to go in with the blush, which is like a nudie peachy kind of color, because I don't want too much on the face. I want the eyes to be the focal point, even though I'm going to be putting on a mask in a few minutes. But I want to have like a nice sun-kissed look. For the lips, I'm going in with, I think this is LA Girl's lip liner in Bare It All. And then I'm going to go in with that fuchsia kind of lipstick. Hopefully I remember to put it all down below. And I think this look should be done because I want the eyes to be the focal point, so I'm not doing too much of the face. This is I think it's number 11 from Milani. Just in the center, just to give it a little bit of color. And then I might put on a gloss, but again, I'm putting on my mask, so I don't want to do too much on the lips. But this is the look. Love, love, loving it. Let me know what you guys think. If you're new here and you're still to the end, please hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to join the family. I'm telling you guys that if you had like a gold, liner, you can put it right in the center. That would look beautiful. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.